Hey guys, quick video on how I give my garage floor kind of this camouflage look. Not the traditional camouflage with the greens. I couldn't figure out quite how to make that work, although I'm going to show you over there where I'm kind of experimenting. But this is really, it's a combination of just different things being spilled on the floor. And some of those things were wiped up right away, but most of them I left sit for, weeks, months. Like there was a can of paint right over here. And that sat for a while, and then I swept some sawdust in there, and then, tried to clean it up a little bit. But that design now, no matter what I spill in that area, that's either gonna soak it up, or you're not gonna look at it like it's an eyesore. It blends in with the rest. Like over here in the corner, again, same type of deal. I don't remember what was spilled there, but over time, you can kind of see, it doesn't matter. I could leave, skid marks from my tires when I pull into the garage. Those are barely visible. They just kind of blend in with this. Now over here, I've started to experiment. I took some epoxy and I dyed it kind of this turquoise color. And if you feel that, it was a little smooth. I didn't want people slipping in the garage. So I went over here and I added just like a screw. I don't know, just a bark up trees or whatever it is, but it just adds some traction on the floor. So that's kind of what I'm up to now. Again, this is the camouflage garage floor. There's nothing to it. If you just as stuff spills, you can clean it up, let it sit, whatever, but it's gonna form this design over time. And this took me maybe 2.5 years of being in this house. And I might expand this, I don't know yet, but feel free to experiment. Sky's the limit on this kind of thing. All right.